Welcome back to today's video. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu, charting it. Now, I've only looked at the daily and I've only drawn this line and support line, so I haven't done any really technical analysis on it, but let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Right out of the gate, just looking at it, I am not liking the volume to price action. The relative volume to the relative price action is not looking good. We have a low spread with a really high wick with high relative volume compared to the other candles. Now, when you have this, you see that the price was pushing up into this area and then was met with sellers. Now, that's telling me that there's a lot of sellers in this area. So we got to be worried with a bearish reaction. We are bouncing back. We're back below 50 SMA, excuse me. We could possibly come back, retest this downtrend, and continue higher, but we will have to see with the coming months if the crypto market continues to run. If the crypto bull run is still moving, I expect Shiba Inu to also move. Again, it's going to lag. It goes large cap, or it goes Bitcoin, large caps, small cap, or mid caps, and then small caps. As long as we don't break this previous low, I am bullish on Shiba Inu. Overall, if we don't break this low of 0.00035, I am bullish. That's this previous high and this previous low. We would have a nice double bottom, and if we go ahead and take a measured move from the double bottom, if we do hold this level, that's only if we hold this level. I could see it coming back, potentially back up to this high at 0.005, maybe even potentially 0.006. And if we go ahead and take a peek on the 4-hour, we can see that we had a very strong move, sharp pullback. And let's go ahead and use our Fibonacci extensions from this low to this high. We can see we pull back right to that 61.8 fib level. Now, that increasing volume with a shooting star on the daily candle is not what I want to see. But if we can hold this 61.8 and then continue to be bullish, I give a price target of around 0.00064, that Fibonacci extension fib level. It doesn't look like there's a lot of buyers in this area, though, just because of this green candle. We expect to have a more bullish reaction, but it looks like we're just getting absorbed by the selling pressure, and that also lines up with the daily chart, how we're getting some slight decreasing volume, but we are getting a bearish reaction. And if we close, we have 5 hours left until we close. If we close below the 50 SMA, I am bearish for the next few days, but as long as you don't break this previous low, then I'm considered bullish on Shiba Inu. And if we go ahead and take a Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high, we bounced right into this OTE zone, the optimal trade entry zone. Now, ideally, we're going to hold this level and continue to move higher. If I hold this and continue to move, I mean, if we break that previous high, we could see it back. Another price target would be at 0.001. Now, that is a very, very far price target, and I don't think that's going to happen in Fibonacci retracements. That's just a little bit too out of range for Shiba, I believe, just because there's not a lot of utility behind. There's no utility behind Shiba Inu, and I do expect this just to be a false move. We had a nice pop out of this, maybe a potential dead cat bounce, popped up, and immediately hit with sellers. Usually, when you want to break out of the downtrend, you want to have increasing volume and see buyers start to take this and move this higher, and that is not what we saw. Now, if this is going to continue to be, if Shiba is going to continue to drop, we can use a Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low. We can see that we're having a pullback, maybe round off, get some bullish reaction, maybe back to that 50% level, maybe back to that 38.2. Now, this will give us a price target for Shiba if we continue lower. That would be a perfect retest of this trend line, and I do think that's going to happen. Potential, again, double bottom on the daily. And the RSI isn't really showing anything. Let's go ahead and take a look at the MACD. Now, the MACD is showing a buy signal for Shiba Inu, although I do not trade only using one indicator. The MACD is showing a buy signal. The histogram is about to show bullish. And that just tells you, I truly believe that we have room lower for Shiba Inu, and that's why I don't like using indicators. Again, analysis paralysis. RSI wasn't telling us anything. MACD is telling us something. The volume price analysis is telling us different. And I think that's going to be it for the video. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. It's free. I post content like this every single week. Now, I'm going to be posting a video where I think this NFT project could take over the world. It allows you to connect your NFT, your Pudgy Penguin, your CryptoPunk to an actual AI that is decentralized. Now, if you want to get access to what this crypto is, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting a video on it, and it is stupid early. They're making a metaverse that is run by AI. Thank you guys so much for stopping in, and I will see you guys in the next one.